Hello, scholars, welcome to class. Today, you will learn about writing dictative, prefixes and suffixes, then root words. These are our topics for today. So get ready to learn. Writing detective. What is writing detective? Writing detective is a fiction of crime in which investigation is carried out. Writing detective is a fiction in which investigation is carried out. It tells you what happened and where it took place. Writing detective tells you what happened and where it took place. Good job. It also gives you clue or figure out the next move. It tells you what is to happen next. You find all the answers as you read the story. From the clues, you get all the answers you need to work with in the story. Now let's read a short story about writing detective. Three boys hid behind a house. They were scared. Bandits came after them, but they escaped. Three boys hid behind a house. They were scared. Bandits came after them, but they escaped. Good job. Now, what was the story about? The story was about three boys. Yes, that was what it was about. Where did the three boys hide? Can you remember? The three boys hid behind a house. Good job. Who came after the three boys? Yes, bandits came after the three boys. Good job. Prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes change the meaning of a word. They change the meaning of a word. A prefix is a group of letters added before a word or base to alter its meaning and form a new word. So a prefix is added at the beginning of a word to form a new word, while suffix is almost like a contract or opposite. It's a group of letters added after a word or a base to form a new word. So suffix comes at the end of a word, while prefix comes at the beginning of a word. I hope you got that. Good job. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a root word. Examples: on plus happy equals to unhappy. Re plus do equals to redo. So unhappy becomes a new word and redo also becomes a new word. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a root word. I am saying this for emphasis so that you remember. Examples: wonder plus full equals to wonderful. Happy plus nest equals to happiness. And wonderful and happiness becomes our new word. A root, as its name suggests, is a word part from which other words grow, usually through the addition of prefixes and suffixes. What are root words? A root word has nothing added at the beginning or the end. A root word is a real word, and you make new words from it by adding prefixes and suffixes. Example: clear, it's a root word. By adding prefixes and suffixes, you can make new words like unclear, clearly, and cleared. Good job. Root words. So now let's pick out the root words from these examples. Played. The root word there is play. Running. The root word is run. We hit. The root word is hit. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Do well to attempt all your quizzes. Bye for now. and see you in our next class. Bye bye.